In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you don't accidentally lose important data. In ClickUp, columns in a list are fields. Some are built in, like assignee or due date, and others are custom fields you or your team created. Deleting a field removes it and its values from your tasks. So proceed carefully. Start by going to ClickUp. Open the app in your browser or desktop client and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar to find the space that contains the work you want to clean up. Click on that space to open it. Spaces act like big folders, so this narrows your view to the right area. Next, open the list where the column appears. In the hierarchy, lists live inside spaces and sometimes inside folders, so drill down until you see your tasks in a table layout. If your view looks like cards on a board, switch to the list view so the columns display across the top as a header row. Now, select the column you plan to remove. Hover your mouse over the column header to reveal the small drop-down arrow or three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the column options. This is where ClickUp lets you manage visibility and field settings. A quick note here. For built-in system columns, you'll typically see options to hide the column instead of deleting it. For custom fields, you'll see the option to delete the field entirely. Choose Delete Field. When you click this, ClickUp will usually display a confirmation message. Read it closely. Deleting a field is permanent and removes the data stored in that field from the tasks in this list, and in some cases, anywhere that field is used. If you only meant to clean up your view temporarily, cancel and use a hide option instead. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. The column will disappear from your list once the action completes. A couple of quick safeguards before you finalize. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage fields in this space, and consider exporting the list to CSV or taking a quick backup if the information might be needed later. It's much easier to prevent data loss than to recover it. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the right space, navigated to the list, selected the column from its header menu, and confirmed Delete Field. Your list is now cleaner and easier to scan. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along click by click.